Accurate thinking refers to the process of evaluating information, situations, and options objectively and critically, without being unduly influenced by biases, emotions, or preconceptions. It involves the ability to analyze data, assess evidence, and draw logical conclusions based on facts and reasoning. Accurate thinking allows individuals to gain a clear understanding of their goals, objectives, and the factors influencing their decisions. It helps clarify priorities, identify potential obstacles, and define actionable steps towards achieving desired outcomes. Accurate thinking enables individuals to assess situations and information objectively, without being swayed by personal biases, assumptions, or preconceptions. It helps them analyze data, weigh evidence, and consider multiple perspectives before making decisions. Accurate thinking is essential for identifying and defining problems accurately. It enables individuals to break down complex issues into manageable components, analyze root causes, and develop effective solutions to address them. Accurate thinking relies on logical reasoning and sound judgment to assess the validity of arguments, conclusions, and decisions. It involves identifying logical fallacies, evaluating cause and effect relationships, and drawing valid inferences based on evidence. Accurate thinking is flexible and adaptive, allowing individuals to consider multiple perspectives and alternative solutions to problems. It involves being open to new information, adjusting beliefs or opinions in light of new evidence, and revising strategies as needed. Accurate thinking fosters resilience by helping individuals approach challenges and setbacks with a rational and solution-oriented mindset. It enables them to learn from failures, adapt to changing circumstances, and persevere in the face of obstacles. Intense emotions such as fear, anger, or anxiety can cloud judgment and impair cognitive processing, making it difficult to think clearly and make sound decisions. Furthermore, emotions can sometimes interfere with effective communication and conflict resolution, particularly if individuals become defensive, hostile, or overly emotional in response to perceived threats or challenges. Developing emotional intelligence, self-awareness, and emotion regulation skills can help individuals navigate their emotions more effectively and promote more accurate and rational thinking.